me while I make a story.
Long ago, Rabbit gave Chicken a surprise birthday party.
I better read the song.
Whose is that?
Max's.
I like it.
Yeah.
I want that. I want that.
No, I want that.
Yeah. Oh, you should.
No.
You want to try the spray again?
No, Jerry.
Hand spray? Maybe we'll get enough.
I want it.
Although it's not supposed to stick to this.
Well, yeah, it's supposed to be plastic.
Max, let Jeremy play with it a little bit.
Here she is, getting Max whining on a video. So we can all remember.
We're gonna document this and show it to your girlfriend when you're 16.